All right, with this West 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Manalfi. Hope you guys are having a good Thursday evening. Rainy, damp, gloomy today. Temperatures in check, but there is some drier air on the horizon. We'll talk more about that. We'll talk about the rise on the river, the St. Johns River up in Astor. There's some ongoing flooding going on there, and just how much more we'll see in that rainfall department before things begin to dry on out. Anne Maria Sophia in the house. Good to have you fine young folks in the house tonight. There's to take a look now at our water vapor channel. You can see that we do have some moisture still coming up from the Gulf, the Caribbean. Elizabeth Hoth, Maria Sophia, also in the house. Good to have you fine young folks here tonight with us. Barb Z, Nathaniel Story, Terry Lottie. Look at that, the whole gang. The whole gang is popping on in here already. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Rosalie Martinez, Roger Ramlakan has also popped in tonight. Roger, good to have you there. Let's take a look at some of these maps. Let's show you what's going on. There's our moisture plume here. We've been discussing this, just kind of coming on up from the northwestern Caribbean right on into central Florida. When you take a look now, this front up here may actually begin to bring in some drier air as we head into the back end of the weekend and early next week. So that's the one we're hoping that's going to start to turn things around and dry us on out. Until then, we have some ducky weather. Showers will be around. There's no doubt about that. Taking a look at what we have here for you, you can see that there's a lot of pesky showers right now. There's a look at Volusia County, back towards Oak Hill, New Smyrna Beach. The showers still coming on down. Continuing to watch that. M.A. Pooling, Mark David Eisenberg, K.K. McCullough, Raymond Ocala. Well, yeah, I don't think you'll get it tonight. Hey, Nate, Linda Crook is in the house. Michelle Attardi, John Hanson, the Hansonator. There's a peek now at some of the showers. Pushing, I think the Oak Hill, back towards Scottsmore. There's Geneva. Look at that Bicklow. Over towards Cypress Springs Elementary, Legacy Middle School, South Alafaya Trail, getting in on a little bit of rain, wet action there. There's the Villages. There's the 528, Christmas. Port St. John had a couple showers there. And look how it's just developing now, just coming in and out, in and around Satellite Beach. There's Melbourne. There's Palm Bay. Kenansville, just kind of continuing to gradually come on down. Now, with all of the rain, the last couple of days, we've seen a rise on the St. John's, especially at Astor. The level there, 2.37. Action stage is 2.30. I want to see something here real quick. This is going to look a little strange for just a second. If I hide that, so let's hit apply. I'm going to see if that's going to auto-update. It did. Look at that, 2.44. Excellent. So the river level is slowly rising. 2.44 means that we've got minor flooding. Water begins to cover the yards. Water covers South Moon Camp docks. That's what we are looking at right now. Bob Johnson, it's been hot. Thank you for your update. Louis Alvin has popped in as well. So here's the latest river level forecast at Astor. 2.44 now. That Friday 2 p.m. I don't expect it to go down. I think it's going to actually hold steady, if not go up. So these numbers here, I think are going to be tweaked a little bit. Took some inches in Beachside Daytona. D. Lynn is in the house. D. Lynn, good to have you there. Girl, you back in town, or you back out, still out west? Patrick, K.K. McCullough, Arthur Corbett Jr., Nathaniel Story, Bob Johnson. Look at that group, the whole gang is in the house. Now, today is the 1 year anniversary of Ian, when Ian created ridiculous river levels, not just at Astor, record levels there in DeLand, Sanford, Lake Harney, and look at the St. Johns River there at Cocoa. Back from Arizona, off to Colorado. Yeah, I knew you were flying somewhere there, young lady. Ero has popped in. Girl, it's been a while. Debbie Mandarino, Carla Lopez. We love you too there, Patrick. Dina Andrusoff, good to have you there. So that's a look at some Ian info right there. All right, let's go back to The forecast here for tomorrow, next couple of days. Tracy Shuke, Patrick, Ginger Men, David Eisenberg has popped in. All right, let's take a look at Futurecast. There's Out the Door Friday. Showers are around. Some of that could be locally heavy. We'll continue to watch and monitor that. And then as we get you on into Saturday, still have some of that rain around, and that will linger on into Sunday. Look at the 48-hour rainfall total, and some of it's quite heavy. From Orlando back towards the coast, something we're going to be watching. The Sniz is in the house. There's Nathaniel Story is also in the house. There you go. That's a look at what we've got going on. Here's a look at tomorrow. 84 in Palm Coast, 86 in Sanford, 88 into Winter Haven. So a warmer day tomorrow. We might have a little bit more sunshine, at least briefly, before things begin heat back up. There's SeaWorld, 82, 86, and 83. 82, 86, and 83. There you go. Volcano Bay, a little bit soggy there. A little bit soggy. There it is. Alright, so that's Volcano Bay. Now, let's take a look at the weekend setup here, because that's when changes begin to kind of try to roll on it. Oh, by the way, tomorrow night, because of that rain around, there you go. Starlink 619, Falcon 9. I don't know about this one, folks. Only a 40% chance of go. I think there's going to be rain around. Debbie Mandarino, Harry Vanderkamp. Good to have you fine young folks in the house. There's a look now at Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, stationary, front drop south. Rainfall chances begin to head a little bit more to the south there. So, when we take a look at the forecast for UCF football, showers and storms will be around. Janice Curry, JC, she's in the house. Good to have KK McCullough, Lightning can't be good for Rocket Lawn. Nope. Jimmy Bacon, correct, I agree. Billy Early Lamonaco. There you go. Here's a look at our next system. There it is. Monday, that front's down to the south. Strong northeast flow will usher in a few showers. No big deal. Breezy and feeling cooler for sure. Joseph Yaptango, no rain for us today. Maybe tomorrow. Terry Lottie, yep, you just hang in there, girl. You hang in there. All right, let's switch gears. Head to the tropics here. Here's a peek at both Philippe and... Oh, that's a little messed up. I'm going to fix that. There's Rena, and then there's Philippe. I'm going to do something here real quick. Oops. There's Felipe. And there's Rena. Let's fix that. That looks a little goofy. Hey, Janice. See Candy Fry, Gerardo Lopez. Gerardo! What's up, Bubba? It's been a while. Good to have you back in the house. All right, I wanted to fix that. And, there you go. So there's a look at both those particular features. There's Philippe. Now this one is just kind of almost stalled out, to be honest with you. Got two systems fairly close to each other. That doesn't happen very often. There's a terminology when two storms interact called Fujiwara, after the Japanese meteorologist. He studied all the storms there, and the typhoons in the Pacific. And his research led to the Fujiwara effect, when two storms kind of work around each other. Tony Malvey dry on for a few minutes. Yep, and it's soaked again, says Gail Copeland. Nancy Cruz is in the house. Good to have you there, the Cruisinator. So that's a look at Philippe. Philippe is going to drift and then begin to pull back towards the north. Our next feature here is Tropical Storm Rena. Rena is moving northwest at 14. And we may have a little intersection of these two storms here. They may actually collide. We'll have to wait and see on that. No more hurricanes this season, right? Not done yet. Got to get through October. Once we get through October, at least the first 20 days, I'll feel a lot better. But we'll keep you posted on that. All right, here's Tropical Storm Rena. as you can see, moving to the west-northwest, and then back to the north. So we'll watch that again very, very carefully. One of the things I like to do is show the water content. Here you go. Brian Keller's in the house. There's our two storms right there, kind of pinwheeling around each other. And then GFS tries to develop something in the Bay of Campeche. But look at that drier air. Next weekend, hopefully, we can get some of that drier, cooler air into parts of Florida. Jody Bennett is in the house. David Rudzik, Candy Fry. They will be getting married. There you go. There it is. Boom. Reunited and it feels so good. Right? That's what you're saying? With Philippe and Rita. Ruth McCormick. And yeah, we had Nicole and we had Ian. Ian and Nicole. Boom, boom, back to back. September, October. 15 days apart. So there you go. All right, Water Vapor Channel. Let's do this. April Nelson's in. David's having a drink. Waiting patiently for Hurricane Tammy. Tammy, saying ain't so. We appreciate you. Dee Lynn. Girl, we appreciate you too. You be careful out there, okay? There's a look at two of our features there. And then another front dropping on in late next week. So we'll be watching that. Now the GFS scenario looks like this. There's the two songs dancing around each other, maybe becoming one bigger storm. And then GFS has got a fairly strong front coming on through next weekend. We'll see. We'll see. I hope so. That would be fantastic. Fingers crossed. Joy Danielle Marziali. Hope I said that right, Joy. Yep. Works at Kid City USA, FedEx and Juice WRLD. Boy, she's a busy girl. Good for you. We'll go get her. That Joy Danielle is. Jan Corona Boyle, Kathleen M. Johnson. Country Awards. Alexa, make me. Nice. Maureen. Yep. There you go. All right. So where are we now when it comes to hurricane season? Swing. We are on the downward path. We have passed the peak. We are coming down. Tracy Shuke Barber. Yeah, there you go, Tams. Thank you, Joy. Marziali. A nice Italian girl. Linda Crook, Candy Fry. If fronts move down in the north, down to Florida. Nope, because it would create a lot of wind shear. It would be the opposite. Wind shear would break things up. All right, name storms. There's Rena. So we've had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 storms. The January no-name storm is another one. David Drake, the land Florida is in the house. Dr. Drake has moved in. All right, let's do this 7-day. Swing. There you go. 87, 87, 85, 85, 85, 87. Lowering rain chances, but not rain-free. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's see here. We got Patty Frady's Bissonette. Terry Lottie. More rain. Palm Coast is not done with the rain. We'll get a little bit more. I think it's going to kick back in here a little bit later on. All right, so let's switch it up. Let's head out across the country. Take all the players off the map here. You can see there's the Gulf. Got a little rain, a little twisty feature there through the Ohio Valley. Another storm system up near Winnipeg, Lake Winnipeg, and then another big storm with lots of snow now into southwest Canada, Montana, portions of Washington State. There you go. All the Yakutsk numbers are coming in already. Look at that. You guys are killing me. All right, so let's take a look at those national temperatures. Southwest, somebody wanted to see Cali. Cali's in good shape, nice and quiet. Here's a look at the temperatures. 64 Portland and Billings, 55, 59 Bangor and Boston. 55, there you go. Gail Copeland Dunklin's in the house. All right, let's go traveling around the globe. There you go. 40 in Nome, 41 in Nuvik, 30 in Fort Ross, 39 Baker Lake, so 30s are showing up. Iqaluit, 36. The Nain Airport Abami, 59. Fort McMurray, 50. Thompson, 57. Wichita, 89. Vegas, 93. Raleigh, 69. Grady Fischetti, hey! There you go. Joseph Sinopoli. Joseph, the GFS is sniffing around at something. Way too early to say this far in advance whether or not that's going to happen. We'll continue to monitor the trends, but not jumping on any bandwagons this far out. St. Louis, 76. Atlanta, 73. Orlando, 78. Belize City, 84. Santo Domingo, 81. Bogota, 61. Manaus, 79. Brasilia, 79. Santiago, 57. Buenos Aires, 64. Punta Arenas, 45. Cape Town, 59. Niamey, 82. London, 66. Oslo and Berlin, 57. Ankara, also 57. Moscow, 54. Astana, 41. Surgut, 46. Bratsk and Ulaanbaatar, 39. There's Yakutsk, 41. Who had it? Who had it? Beijing, 63. Tokyo, Abami, 81 degrees. Shanghai, 79. Hong Kong, 82. Manila, 86. Makassar, 82. Broome, Australia, 84. Brisbane, 73. Down under, Hobart Airport, 55. Christchurch coming in at 64. And Auckland, 59 degrees. All right, temperatures at Lihue, 83. Honolulu, 88. Kahului, 87. And Hilo coming in at 78 degrees. So there you go. A good deal of warm weather in the state of Hawaii right now, where it is 2:19 in the afternoon. 6-hour difference. All right, showers. Yep, we've got a few of those. Palm Coast is dry for now, but to the north and east, some showers trying to develop to the north. There's Oak Hill. Got a little bit of rain. Scottsmore. Back towards East Orlando. Christmas. There's the rain there. South Alafaya. Conway. Back towards Windermere. A few showers there. Brevard County, Melbourne, Satellite Beach, a few showers there. Kenansville, a few showers. Yeehaw Junction, just to the west of them, a few showers. All right, I'm going to end it here on the 7-day so you guys can see what's going on. Booyah! 87, 87. Friday, Saturday. Dropping down to 85. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. With that front dropping through and those winds going northeast. Overnight low temperatures falling back into the low 70s. All right, gang, we're going to rock and roll. Start making some updates for tonight's 10 and 11. You guys have a wonderful night. Stay dry, and I'll be right back here again tomorrow night on Facebook at about 8 o'clock. Until then, see you tonight at 10, hopefully, on the CW18, and or again at 11 on West 2 News. Ta-ta.